What if the most powerful changes in your life didn't cost a single dollar? What if everything you needed to feel calmer, more focused, and genuinely happier was already within your reach? In Japan, there's a quiet wisdom that has been passed down through generations. It's not about buying the right products or following expensive programs. It's about how you move through your day, how you treat yourself and others, and how you find meaning in the smallest moments. These 15 habits have transformed countless lives, and they can transform yours too. Ikigai is a beautiful Japanese concept, meaning a reason to be, or your purpose for living. It's not about grand achievements or impressive titles. It focuses on finding what makes your life meaningful, whether through work, hobbies, or simply supporting the people you love. Imagine waking up each morning with a gentle pull towards something that excites you. That's Ikigai at work. To practice this, identify what genuinely excites you each morning and start aligning your daily activities with that purpose. It doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes your Ikigai is as simple as making your family smile. Shinrin-yoku means immersing yourself in nature without phones or distractions, simply being present with trees and fresh air. The benefits are remarkable. Research shows reduced stress hormones, lifted moods, and increased immunity. Picture yourself walking through a quiet park, feeling the breeze on your skin, hearing birds above. That's forest bathing. To practice this, spend 20 to 30 minutes walking in a park or on nature trails, engaging all your senses. You don't need a forest. Even a small green space works beautifully. Have you tried spending time in nature without your phone? I'd love to hear how it felt in the comments. This principle teaches us to eat mindfully without overeating, maintaining a healthy weight naturally. It prevents that uncomfortable fullness while supporting digestive health. Think about the last time you ate past the point of satisfaction and felt sluggish afterward. Hara Hachi Bu prevents that entirely. To practice this, pause during meals and genuinely check if you're still hungry. Put your chopsticks or fork down between bites. Listen to your body's signals. This simple pause creates space between hunger and habit, transforming your relationship with food. As a Gaiko means dedicating early mornings to personal growth through exercise, learning, or meditation. Japanese people use this time to care for their bodies and minds before the day begins. Imagine a woman who wakes 30 minutes before her family, stretching quietly in the soft morning light, journaling her thoughts. Her entire day feels different because of those precious minutes. To practice this, wake up just 30 minutes earlier and dedicate that time to activities encouraging personal development. Those morning moments belong entirely to you. This philosophy honors every task, no matter how small, with complete focus and attention. It applies to everything from washing dishes to completing work emails. Here's a surprising insight. Rushing through tasks actually takes more time because we often have to redo them. Chanto Suru eliminates that cycle. To practice this, approach each task with care and full presence rather than rushing to the next thing. When you fold laundry, fold laundry. When you write an email, write an email. Single tasking becomes a form of meditation. The essence of Tonenase Katsu is showing respect and consideration through small gestures like thanking others and offering genuine attention. It reflects the Japanese cultural value of honoring everyone you encounter. This isn't about being formal or stiff, it's about warmth expressed through small actions. To practice this, find daily ways to express gratitude and consideration to those around you. These tiny moments of respect ripple outward in ways you'll never fully see. Kakeibo is an ancient budgeting practice encouraging conscious purchasing decisions. It helps break unnecessary spending habits by increasing awareness. The method is beautifully simple. Before each purchase, ask yourself 4 questions. Do I need this? Can I afford it? Will I actually use it? Will it make me happier? To practice this, pause before buying anything non-essential. Write down your purchases and reflect weekly. This philosophy teaches us to find beauty in imperfection and incompleteness rather than chasing perfection. Research confirms that embracing imperfection reduces anxiety and stress related to perfectionism. Think of a handmade ceramic bowl with slight irregularities. Those imperfections make it unique and beautiful. Your life works the same way. To practice this, accept imperfections as part of your story instead of viewing them as failures. The crack in your favorite mug, the gray in your hair, the mistakes you've made, they're all part of what makes you irreplaceable. Gamin means practicing patience and resilience when facing life's challenges. It builds mental strength through accepting difficult moments rather than fighting them. This isn't about suppressing emotions or suffering silently. It's about trusting that difficult seasons pass. To practice this, allow pauses and moments of silence in your day rather than filling every moment with noise or distraction. When something frustrating happens, breathe before reacting. Gratefulness is deeply embedded in Japanese culture, from thanking chefs to respecting nature. Research confirms that gratitude practices reduce stress and increase happiness significantly. What's one small thing you're grateful for right now? Drop it in the comments. I genuinely want to know. To practice kansha, keep a daily gratitude journal, noting 3 things you feel grateful for each day. Warm coffee, a friend's message, sunlight through your window. Small gratitudes accumulate into profound contentment. Sampo means walking as a mindful practice rather than just exercise. It quiets the mind and allows genuine observation of your surroundings. Picture a woman walking slowly through her neighborhood, noticing flowers she's passed 100 times but never truly seen. That's Sampo. To practice this, take slow walks without phone distractions or podcasts. Simply enjoying the moment, let your thoughts wander. Notice colors, sounds, and textures. Walking becomes a moving meditation that costs nothing but gives everything. This principle teaches us to treat each moment and encounter as unique and unrepeatable. It revolutionizes how you experience every moment by bringing full presence to interactions. The conversation you're having right now will never happen exactly this way again. The person before you is offering you something irreplaceable. To practice this, be completely present in conversations and interactions, recognizing their irreplaceable nature. Put away distractions. Listen fully. Ukiyo philosophy encourages riding the waves of life rather than fighting them, practicing full presence. Neuroscience confirms that mindful presence reduces stress hormones and increases happiness. Life isn't a problem to be solved, but an experience to be lived. To practice this, release constant planning and worry. Be fully here and fully alive to what is happening right now. The past is gone, the future isn't guaranteed. This breath, this heartbeat, this moment, that's where your life actually exists. This practice transforms routine tasks into rituals of care. Sweeping, washing, arranging with intention turns chores into moments of peace. It reminds you that your life is worthy of attention. A woman humming while washing dishes, feeling warm water on her hands, pausing to notice soap bubbles catching light. That's celebration. To practice this, light a candle during dinner, hum while cleaning, or pause to notice simple sensations. Your ordinary life is extraordinary when you pay attention. Here's your actionable takeaway. Don't try all 15 habits at once. As author James Clear notes in Atomic Habits, consistency compounds over time. Choose one habit that resonates with you. Practice it for a week, then add another. Small, consistent efforts beat intense, short-lived changes every time. You don't need to overhaul your entire life. Simple presence, kindness, and daily intention create profound, lasting change.